क्लाइमेट चेंज, प्राकृतिक आपदाएं, भुखमरी, गरीबी, स्वास्थ्य से जुड़ी बहुत सी चुनौतियां पहले से ही थी, अब नई समस्याएं उत्पन्न हो रही हैं।
In a veiled dig at developed nations, Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlighted that despite the global south being the most vulnerable in the world, those he trusted did not offer him help in times of need. Speaking at the 3rd India-Pacific Islands Cooperation or FIPIC Summit in Papua New Guinea, PM Modi said, and I quote, "Today we are seeing disruption in the supply chain of fuel, food, fertilizer and pharma. Those whom we trusted didn't stand with us when needed."
Food, fuel, फर्टिलाइजर और फार्मा, इसकी सप्लाई चेन, उसमें भी बाधाएं आ रही हैं। जिन्हें हम अपना विश्वसनीय मानते थे, पता चला कि जरूरत के समय वो हमारे साथ नहीं खड़े थे। इस कठिनाई के समय में पुराना वाक्य सिद्ध हुआ, "A friend in need is friend indeed."
He further said that the countries in the global south were hit the hardest during the COVID-19 pandemic. The Indian Prime Minister further said, and I continue to quote, "Challenges related to climate change, natural disasters, hunger, poverty and health were already there. Now new problems are arising. I am happy that India stood by its friendly Pacific Island countries in times of difficulty."
क्लाइमेट चेंज, प्राकृतिक आपदाएं, भुखमरी, गरीबी, स्वास्थ्य से जुड़ी बहुत सी चुनौतियां पहले से ही थी, अब नई समस्याएं उत्पन्न हो रही हैं। मुझे खुशी है कि भारत इस चुनौतीपूर्ण समय में अपने पैसिफिक आइलैंड मित्रों से कंधा मिलाकर खड़ा रहा। भारत में बनी वैक्सीन हो या जरूरत की दवाइयां, गेहूं हो या चीनी, भारत अपनी क्षमताओं के अनुरूप सभी साथी देशों की मदद करता रहा।
James Marape, the Prime Minister of Papua New Guinea, also lauded India's leadership on the global platform. As he thanked him for the support, Marape said, and I again quote, "We are victims of global power play.
The world uses it for trade, commerce and movement. We are victims of global power play. We want you to be an advocate for us as you sit in those meetings."
Addressing PM Modi, he said, "You are the leader of the global south. We will rally behind your leadership at global forums." Marape said,
"Our leaders will have a moment to speak to you. I want you, Mr. Prime Minister, for you to spend time hearing them, and hopefully at the end of these dialogues, may India and Pacific relationship is entrenched and strengthened, but more importantly, the issues that are facing the Pacific Island nations, especially the smaller ones amongst us, are heard in its right context and given support by you, the leader of the global south. And I put to you, as the leader of the third realm, the third group, the third block of nations that must emerge, those are the emerging nations, and we will rally behind your leadership at global forums."
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is currently on a 3-nation tour amid the ongoing G7 summit in Hiroshima. He landed in Papua New Guinea's capital Port Moresby on Sunday to host a key summit between India and 14 Pacific Island countries aimed at boosting bilateral ties. This is his maiden visit to the nation and also the first time that an Indian Prime Minister has visited the island country.